Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the remote for my ceiling fan and light fixture. Let's see, DC Designer Choice. I guess this is the original, but for some reason I'm thinking I did buy a replacement at some point. I don't know if that's I was thinking it was a Hunter fan. But anyways, and if you can hear, is the fan working? But for a while, the light has not been working. And for some reason, I thought if I press this harder, the light would come on. But it would do that periodically. But now it's not working at all. So I decided to take this apart. So you can see there, the fan works. But the light does not respond. So I open this up and let's see if I can get this out again. There we go. What I found is, I don't know if this black is on the back of this button is conductive. Guess it's this one here. So you can see some residue there. And let's see. Yeah, I think it's this one here. Oh, that's even more on that. So I think it's sort of deteriorating. And the residue is on here. Oh yeah, it's kind of sticky too. See that? So I don't know if this is like conductive. Wow, it's more than I even thought it was. And I thought I was going to have to, I think just the dry Q-tip is working on this. And it might change the resistance value of this. But anyways, that pad, just clean that off there. And they should all look like that. But for some reason, this one, let me get some, I don't know, I get some eyeglass cleaner. Maybe that'll work instead of just alcohol. So I'll just take a Q-tip here, spray that. So clean that off, but what I'm concerned about are these buttons, or the underside of this material here. See, it seems like a silicone material. Just clean that off. Maybe it's, I don't know, maybe it's the oils from your hand or something, I don't know. Okay, it seems like it's getting cleaner, or there's less residue coming off. And hopefully that will fix my problem. So let's get this back in. Okay, so it's back together and it's working. It's got the fan. And the light, which you can brighten and just keep your finger pressed and it goes back down and then brightens again. So the most amazing part of this fix is that I was able to not lose the screws that I removed. And I did momentarily lose the back cover here. I just found it. But yeah, wow. So if you have a problem like this, you want to save a couple of bucks. It was only one screw and then these plastic clips on the side. You just have to be careful about not breaking those, but there's just 3 screws holding down the circuit board, and just clean off that residue. Got my lights back. So this was fixed just by cleaning off that residue and off the circuit board and off of the silicone button or whatever conductive material that's made out of. And I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to like, dislike, comment, and feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.